Good day all. Welcome to this lesson where we are going to look at some few more patterns that we are expected to encounter in the markets. The first one we are going to look at is one that is called a head and shoulders pattern. So with this pattern here, you would expect to see it at the top of an uptrend. So price would be trending in an upwards direction, and then you'll be able to see. So here in this case, we consider price moving in this way. Then as price moves up, it sort of reaches a correction point. So it starts moving, trending downwards. Then it bounces off, usually on a support area. Then it goes up. At this moment, it has now formed a sort of a Z shape, or it has formed the left shoulder and also the left side of the neck. Then it goes up. When it reaches the apex, we would say it has formed part of a head. Then price hits resistance and it is driven downwards. As it is driven downwards, it's going to find support on the same level that it made the left shoulder. So in this case, it's going to make a right shoulder, whereby when it reaches the same level, price starts moving downwards. Now at this point here, this is where we would say the price is going to break the neckline. So at the break of the neckline, that's where usually traders look to enter. And they enter here because they know that the risk is low and the reward is high over a short period of time. So you would find that the movement from here to this point, which is the target, would probably be a matter of days or maybe just a week and a half. So to get the projection, you would take the distance from the apex to the neckline, then you project it going downwards. That's where you would have your point whereby you might disinvest or sell part of the investment that you are holding. Now on the other side, we have got what is called an inverted head and shoulder. So in this case, price is trending downwards. As it trends downwards, it hits a point of support and the price starts to correct, increasing, going the other direction. But then it hits a resistance, comes down, and it forms the head. Then it moves up again, and it bounces off the neckline that is formed on the other side. Then it moves downwards again, and then continues moving upwards. Now at this point, this is where we've got the breakout point. So when the price goes above this level, traders usually enter in because again it's going to run quickly to touch that line or the target as defined by the distance from the bottom of the inverted head to the neckline. The same projection upwards would give us the price target. Then the next one we are going to look at is a symmetrical triangle. In this case, this one we are looking at a continuation pattern of the symmetrical triangle. So here we have price trending upwards. Then it hits some resistance and it comes down. But as it moves down, the support line is increasing while the resistance line is falling. So you have got a convergence of momentum whereby the price is being squeezed until it comes to this point. So in the last third of the triangle is where you expect the breakout to happen. In this case, since it's continuation pattern, we know price is going to break upwards. So when price breaks upwards, that's where traders are looking to enter or buy into the position. Again, you measure the distance that is made by the triangle after it has been formed. So that distance is projected upwards to reach a target that is expected after the breakout. Now sometimes you'd find there will be a breakout, then price comes down again. But if it bounces off the previous line that was resistance but now support, if it bounces off, you can consider it as sort of a double bottom confirmation, and you'd expect price to rise rapidly. If you see that situation, then you can probably add to your position, then price nicely rallies up to the target. So this is how the symmetrical triangle as a bullish continuation pattern would look and how you would trade it. So the moment you see prices moving in this manner, you can draw lines and usually you can see where things are going and set yourself up for the time when it is going to break. So that's all for now. Until the next lesson, goodbye.